Welcome to Barbarking Reborn channel. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment. Happy Quan and lucky days. The prices of the majority of major cryptocurrencies tend to strengthen on Thursday, August 25, 2022, ahead of the Jackson Hole Symposium in the United States, U.S. Launching data from CoinMarketCap at 10 o'clock WIB, Bitcoin strengthened 1.55% to a price position of US21,533.14/coin or equivalent to Rp. 319,121,135/coin. Assuming the exchange rate is Rp. 14,820 US$. Meanwhile, Ethereum shot up 3.8% to used 1,675.32/coin or Rp 24,828,242/coin. Meanwhile, alternative digital coins, tokens, alternate coins/altcoins, Solana jumped 2.63% to use 35.5/coin, Rp 526,110/coin. While Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin appreciated more than 1%. Bitcoin is still holding in the price range of US $21,000 today, ahead of the Jackson Hole Symposium in the US, which will start at night Indonesia time. Investors await comments from the chairman of the U.S. Central Bank, Federal Reserve, the Fed, Jerome Powell at the Jackson Hole Symposium. Bitcoin is not really on the bottom and crypto winter doesn't seem like it has turned into crypto spring yet, Stefan Rust, CEO of blockchain layer 1 Laguna, told CoinDesk. The 45th Jackson Hole Symposium carries the theme Reassessing Constraints on the Economy and Policy. In the symposium, the participants will discuss current world economic issues. This is what can make the world's financial markets falter again. As is known, the world economy is currently facing the problem of high inflation. Central banks in various countries have raised interest rates very aggressively to reduce inflation. The problem is, although central banks in developed countries are very aggressive in raising interest rates, inflation has not decreased. So that fears of a recession to stagflation haunt the world. If Powell states that inflation has not yet reached its peak, it will have a negative impact on financial. The Fed is likely to be very aggressive in raising interest rates next month. Currently, market predictions tend to be divided, with some predicting the Fed will raise its benchmark interest rate again by 50 basis points, BP, at its September meeting. There are also those who expect a 75 BP increase. Based on the CME Fed Watch tool, the odds of a 50 bits per second hike in the US benchmark interest rate to 2.75 to 3% are 39.5%, while the possibility of a 75 BP increase is 60.5%. Like global financial markets, cryptocurrencies have made market participants fearful due to statements from the Fed. Which has indicated that there will be no decline in the near term or as long as inflation has not softened to the 2% target, Rust said. Thanks for watching Barbarking Reborn channel. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment. Happy Quan and lucky days.